Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove an E46 M3 rear bumper. Begin by parking on level ground, disconnecting the negative battery, and wearing gloves. Remove the trunk trim and taillight fasteners next, then unclip the inner wheel well liners to access bumper screws. Keep fasteners organized in labeled containers and take photos for reference. Have a friend support the bumper during final removal to avoid damage and make reinstallation smoother. Start by removing visible T30 bolts under the bumper and inside the trunk area, then pull back the trunk trim to access hidden fasteners. Next, remove the wheel well liners and unclip plastic rivets using trim clip pliers so clips stay reusable. Take clear photos as you go to remember clip locations and screw lengths. Keep all bolts sorted in labeled containers and set the bumper on soft padding to prevent scratches. If this walkthrough is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful guides. Quick recommendation: the O'Ala water bottle is great for greasy hands and long garage sessions. It seals tight and fits cup holders so you won't spill while leaning over a bumper. It's a small comfort during a big job, and it makes breaks easier. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. With fasteners removed and connectors unplugged, gently pull the bumper corners outward to free the clips near the quarter panels. Ask a friend to support the bumper while you release the lower edge clips and slide the bumper rearward to disengage mounting tabs. Watch for any remaining wiring or sensor harnesses and unplug them before fully separating. Rest the bumper on a padded surface to avoid scratches and inspect mounting points for damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.